Hello, today I will teach you how to make a custom iPhone ringtone for everyone. It's a pretty simple and couple of steps. Hopefully you will like it. If you don't, please don't abuse me. Let's start. Okay, so first step is you have to have Acoustica MP3 audio mixer. Open that. Now select any song that you are trying to make a custom ringtone. So I have song here. I'm gonna drag it. So select the tone that you like to make a ringtone. So I'm trying to make one second. I'm trying to make this one from there. Yeah, delete everything. So I'm trying to make only this part. Okay, so now you click this, make it small, and then click it, hold it, and bring it on the front. Okay, now you have, so you can, okay, so this is a okay, so now you go to file on the top, save as mp3 file, and you say the song name is Tu Hove Main Howa, so that's what I'm gonna write, Tu Hove. Okay, now you save it I am gonna save on my desktop, save, and then save. Okay, now you close this, minimize this. Okay, here is our file, Tu Hove. Okay, so next you're gonna open iTunes. I have Windows, so you're gonna open it, make it large. Now the next thing is whatever file you made it, which is here on the desktop, drag it in the music section. Here is library, drag it here. It's here, right? Let's see. Yes, it's here. Next thing, you're gonna connect your iPhone to your computer. See, there is no sign here right now. There is no iPhone sign. So once I'm gonna connect it, you will see a sign there. See, it's here now, right? So now the next thing is you will click here on the phone. You will see this screen because my phone is connected, and then the final you will do is sync. See, at the bottom you will just have to say sync. So now it's syncing. Okay, now the next is you will go to your iPhone. Let me see if the file is there or no. So Okay, so now see, you will go to music, and here you go. It's here, United one. Let's see. Play this one. Okay, so now what you need to do? Okay, so next you need to go App Store and download GarageBand. It's an app. Just go to App Store, look for GarageBand. You will see this one, this app, GarageBand. You don't need to download, just click open. Once you hit open, you will see this kind of screen: bass, guitar, world, drummer, external, sound library, keyboard. You need to go to audio recorder, so click on audio recorder, and then you need to click on these three bars, third one. Okay, so now you go to this loop section, click here, and then once you click on loop section, you will see this screen: Apple loops, file, music, and cancels, and then songs. Click songs. You will see the file that we created earlier. Tap it and drag it there. Tap and drag. Okay, so now you need to, so once you have song here, just click on the first one there, and then we'll see this is my songs. Just click it here. Okay, so my song, you will see the file my songs. Okay, so then you will see here my songs. Okay, now you tap it there, and then you will see copy, duplicate, rename, move, delete, share. So just click on share, song, ringtone, or project. So make it as a ringtone, and just say any name you like to make. So let's say today is March 15. Let's make March 15 ringtone. Okay, then you say export, exporting as ringtone. Ringtone export successful. This is ringtone export successful. Use sound as. So click here, use sound as. Standard ringtone, standard text tone, assigned to contact, or done. So standard ringtone, make it standard ringtone. Okay, now you go to your, so how to minimize this screen? You need to just drag it, otherwise it's going to be very hard for you to move. Okay, now you go to general, settings. Click on settings, and then sounds and haptics, click there, and then ringtone. Then you will see here, see March 15. Let's see, March 15. So that's it. That's how you make it. Hopefully you like this video. Thank you.